Hey guys, this is Remy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the unboxing of the Euphorbia November edition bag and I absolutely love the look of this bag. There are 3 products in this bag and 1 product is outside because the 4th product is way too big to fit in this tiny little bag. So let's just get into it and see what all we got. First thing that you will see as always is the card which mentions all the products that you're gonna get in this bag. The first one is Aaranyam Green's Intensive Hair Mask and it is worth about 460 rupees. So the mask looks something like this and it's an intense hair mask as they say, and it is argan oil anti-hair fall root repair formula, and it is made with 100% organic Moroccan argan oil, jojoba oil and bitter almond oil and aloe vera for deep conditioning and healthier softer looking hair infused with plant milk. So I'm very excited to try this. It also has a lot of things mentioned at the back of it as well, and this is a sealed pack. It's a Ziploc pack, so you can use you can use it more than once, I guess. You get about 100 grams in this. The directions to use is apply the product to the roots of well combed hair and comb hair from root to tip post application and leave it for overnight before washing it off with gentle shampoo. Okay, it's something that you can leave overnight, so that is really new. It looks completely like a conditioner in it and smells pretty organic. That's something I can tell. The next product is from 7 Seas Concealer Palette, and it comes in this bag, in this pouch and in this cover. It comes in this cover and it is basically concealer for you. So yeah, this is how the concealer palette looks like. It has 3 different shades. I'm pretty sure this one right here is my shade, but I don't think these will go for fair people. So yeah, this is more for like muted shades, and this is the same one that you're gonna get. It's let me see if it has some kind of shade number. I don't think it does. Yeah, that is what it is, and let me just open it up for you guys to show you guys how it is. You do get this protective cover, so when you remove it you see these shades. You do have an applicator brush in it, and this one cost about $4.99, and this is how this one looks like. The next product is the most expensive one in this bag, and that is this serum, and it has this, it is this serum, and it is an hydration boost serum, and its cost is about 1,099 rupees. It provides hydration to your face, especially in this winter season, coming winter season. The hydration is something that we need. Yeah, you get about, it's a full oil serum up till here, so no cheating has been done. And yeah, this is how it looks. It has this dropper like all the serums, and yeah, this is it. Ingredients are base oils and blends of organic of lavender, tea tree, geranium, eucalyptus, blue chamomile and vitamin E. So basically it's all good. Product is a very exciting one, that is this lavender soap. I love lavender fragrance, and this is like a complete package for me. It is like a complete gift package for me because I'm just gonna love using it. And yeah, this is how it is. It is lavender handmade organic soap. It is from Aaranyam. It is sealed, and since it's handmade, this has this like different square things of dark purple shades in it. I don't know what that is, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. Since it's handmade, I'm gonna love using it. That's all you guys get for this month's box. All the total 4 products that you're gonna get are worth 2,200 rupees, and you're gonna get them for just 259 in this month's box. So do check it out if you want. If you want to subscribe to this bag, the link will be in the description box for you guys to subscribe there, and all the other details about the products and everything will be also mentioned in the description box for you guys to check it out if you do not understand few things that I said. So yeah, all of that will be in the description box for you guys to check it out. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, guys. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell button as well, so that you guys know when I'm gonna upload my new video, which is gonna be every Sunday for the DIYs and some occasional videos like haul and stuff which I'm supposed to do on this channel. So those will be up on Wednesdays, Friday or Thursday, or any days which I can come up with. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.